Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at Nexttr's video block in WordPress. This is part of a series of videos taking a look at Nexttr's blocks one by one. To get started, let's open up a brand new blank page and take a look at this block on its own. For the beginners out there, before we continue any further, if this right-hand sidebar isn't here, there's this button called Settings beside Publish. Just click on that, and this is where all of our settings to toggle and configure for the block will show up. Next, let's give our page a title. Just to keep things organized, and last but not least, let's add the block itself. On the top left corner, there's this button over here with a plus icon called the block inserter. Now, we can either search for our block, or you can see Nextstr block is right here. We can scroll down and find it. But since I think it's kind of far down, let's just go ahead and search for video. And there's going to be a few that show up, but the one with the purple icon is the Nextstr one. Okay, let's go ahead and close this. And here we have our video block. And by default, it's just a video from the Apple Corporation. And here we can choose the source of the video. So we can either choose a YouTube ID, a Vimeo ID, right? Or self-hosted, which is just going to be a video from our media library, right? And we can have the YouTube ID be a dynamic field, right? So if we comment something or have something in our posts or titles, we can do that. Let's go ahead and put this in, and you can see it's one of our videos, the Nextstr ecosystem one. Be sure to check that one out. And here we have our video. So it's right there. Let's take a look at our player settings. We can have it on autoplay, so it's going to automatically play the video for you. We can have it on mute, right? We can loop the video. We can hide or show the controls. We can hide or show the video info, video touch disable, modest branding. Doesn't seem to do anything with that. And we can hide or show the suggested videos. Privacy mode over here is it doesn't take statistics from you. Next we have our banner and icon over here, so we can put a banner or an icon over here, so like watch this video or check this out, and it's just gonna let's go back here, click on video, and sometimes this happens, and let's just reload this up. Okay, and sometimes this happens on the back end. But this is just something that you'll have to live with Gutenberg, not necessarily just the block itself. We have our SEO option over here, which is enable schema markup. Next, we have style, so we can put a border over this if we wanted to, right? Put in a frame, put it dotted, change the border, put a border radius on this. So let's say 90 pixels, and it's going to look pretty cool. We can add a box shadow, and that's about it. We can also change how this looks like when we hover. So when we hover over this, we can make it red, right? And it's going to invite you to click on it, and that's about it. And we have our advanced settings here, so global style, spacing, background, border, on-scroll animations, just to make it look cool, display rules, right? Our hard position settings, so z-index, and our responsive settings to hide us on desktop, tablet, or mobile. And sometimes you might actually want to do that with this because some devices might not play well with wide videos like this. So go ahead and click on Save, and take a look at our block on our live site. Okay, so with that done, here we have our video on our site. All we have to do is just click on play, and there is our video on our site. So if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Hey! If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out one of our other videos, or go ahead and check out our channel and subscribe to see more content like this.